और अब बात काली कमाई के कुबेर की। तस्वीरें देखकर आप दंग रह जाएंगे। पाइप से नोट निकल रहे हैं। मामला कर्नाटक के कलबुर्गी का है। एंटी करप्शन ब्यूरो यानी एसीबी ने महकमा तामीर आमा के जूनियर इंजीनियर के घर छापा मारा था। जब घर की तलाशी ली गई तो पाइप से नोट निकले।
जूनियर इंजीनियर है, उनका ये रेड हुआ है आज। What so many valuable, some 54 lakh cash we found, and their farmhouse is there. One farmhouse, they are having 8 rooms, and getting still investigation search is going on.
Okay.
We'll give afterwards.
How many officers?
Total 3, 1 SP, 3 DSP, 3 inspector, and 25 men and panchas and all.
Okay.
10, 15
Where the cash
members.
has been found, sir?
Cash in home only.
Okay.
Treasury, then and some one pipe,
Okay.
drainage pipe. We have got some 13 lakhs
And this
cash.
is that?
That 13 lakhs. Total overall 54 lakhs cash we found.
Investigation is ongoing.
Investigation undergoing.
Is there-
Searching. After 7 o'clock, I'll give a detailed report.
How many places you have been raided?
We have just 1, 2, 3, 4 places we have searched now.
Okay.
4, then 1 Bangalore. 5th, 5. Total 5 places we have searched.